Yeah, this is gonna be a tough one for me, man. Buckle up, buckle up.
Put it up there. Get him up there. Cause you cheating. Shut up. Get him up there and be quiet. Get him up there. Put him up there. Put him up there. Force him. Hold it. Don't even not drop him. Hold your motherfucking arms up. Stop playing with him. Hold him up. Hold him.
Yeah, stuff like this literally, man, it turns my stomach, dog. Like for real. Oh, I can't stand it, dog. For real. Listen, I think mm, as a man, I can completely understand how you want to make sure that you're not being too soft on your children, especially your son, because you know how hard it is or how hard it can be out here for men, especially young black men. But there is a line that you should not cross. And I do know and I understand that parenting does not come with an instruction manual. I understand that. But one thing that I don't think that any parent should ever do is curse at their children, right? You sitting there cursing at your child. I cannot think any situation or scenario where this is okay. Like you are literally like you're hmm. I see stuff like this, man, and I'm so thankful and I'm so grateful that I never had to experience stuff like this. But I've had friends, like I've been over their houses, and I'm just like, yo, bro, what the hell is going on? Like that's your parent? That's that's the person that gave birth to you. Like my wires are so freaking crossed when I see stuff like this because you would expect something like this from like a stepdad or a stepmom, but not your own. Like that little person came from you. And the fact that you can sit here and be evil and be cruel like that to them is just crazy. Listen, hot take. If this is gonna be the case, this would be the only situation where I would say, yo, don't even be in that child's life. Don't even if you're gonna sit here and do stuff like this, man, like this right here. Look at that young man's face. What in the world could a child do to make you even want to make your child go through something? Your child go through something like that. And then you sitting there cursing at them. I don't know, man. They look like 5, 10 pounds. Come on, man. Come on, bro. This is crazy. People like this only do this to young children. There is no way in the world he would have another grown mother loving man. Like it just wouldn't fly. No way. People like this literally pick on people that are smaller than them and probably have been doing it their entire lives. Get in the ring. If you got that much doggone frustration or hatred or whatever, bro, you got a lot of stuff going on. Get your butt in the ring with somebody and you can literally just hash it out with them. There's no way or no reason why you should be taking your child through something like this. No way, man. Again, stuff like this is it pisses me off, man. I don't see how you like how does this not mess you up, bro? I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but you know what I'm saying? Even when we doing like the coaching and stuff, like I try to be extremely mindful about what I say, how I talk to people, especially people that are smaller than me. You know what I mean? Like, man, I don't. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and get man. Y'all, let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments about this, man? Do y'all what can honestly justify this? What I need, I honestly can't come up with anything. What can honestly justify a father doing this to their child? Let me know down in the comments, man. Because again, I'm at a loss for words. Crazy, bro.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.